feet, man. We're walking over to the, hey, peep the feet. Oh, peep the feet, peep. Hey, hold up, man. Peep the Jordan side. Hey, oh.
Welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but mention me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but mention me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome.
44 gang, what's happening, man? It's your boy, man. Hemi like 44 back with another one. I'm with another one, man. Big time, legendary video. Y'all see the red head? I'm going fed. Y'all know I be rhyming off of my head.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post. Hit the like all my videos. We're going to try to get this video to 500 likes. I asked that on another video, it didn't reach it, so I'm asking again. You know what I mean? We're gonna try to get this video to 500 likes for everybody that's liking and sharing my videos. I appreciate it. Y'all keep doing that for me, please. If you're new to the channel, man, hey, I got a lot of good stuff. If you ain't satisfied with this video, browse some more videos. I got some good content, man. I'm out here working hard. 5 days a week I'm dropping videos, so y'all gonna get what you want. You ain't gotta worry about, when Hemi life dropping? When Hemi? It's every day with me, baby. Unless I may miss one day. I missed one day this week. Just one day this week in a month. Last 30 days, I've been posting every day to that one day. But yeah, today, man, we got a new mod for the whip, man. You understand me? We got a new mod coming. And I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna get to it in a minute, but I'm so excited about this mod. Hey, I got a question for my subscribers. Or anybody watching this video. Hopefully y'all know. Y'all see this right here? Can somebody please tell me how to change the carburetor on this thing? Somebody please let me know that. Cause my kids want to ride this. I bought this for them. And man, they done rode it. It may have lasted maybe five months. And now it won't even start. It'll barely start. Now the battery dead on it. That's another problem now. But I need to change the carburetor or something. It won't stay crunk. So it'll start up, but it won't stay, like, it'll die out. And somebody told me something with the carburetor. So if y'all know anything, y'all come in, let me know how to fix that for my kids, man. I mean, for me too, because I be having fun on that thing. Hey, that thing go like, that one go like 50 miles an hour. So I be having fun on that thing. So y'all help me out with that. But hey, man, we're gonna get straight to this mod. I know this what y'all waiting on. Excited about this mod. I can't wait to put it on my car. Couldn't put it on when I wanted to put it on because of another reason. I'll let you know that reason as well. When I'm showing y'all the mod, I'll let y'all know that reason. But boom, this thing is legendary. So I'm finna get straight to it. I ain't gonna hold. No, you know what? Hey, y'all comment down below right now. I'm gonna give y'all 10 seconds. Let me know what y'all think this mod is. Just let me know what y'all think this mod is. I'm gonna give y'all 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go. That's 10 seconds, man. Hope I got some comments down there, but I ain't gonna prolong y'all no more. Finna get straight to it. Peep, man, we're walking over to the hey, peep the feet. Oh, peep the feet, peep. Hey, hold up, man. Peep the Jordan side. Hey, ooh. Y'all see that tip? What y'all think that is? What y'all think that is? Let me walk around like this for a minute, tease y'all a little bit. You know how it go. What y'all think that is? I better not step on no snake out here, man. This high ass grass. But enough of the games, man. Let's get straight to that thing. Oh, hold up, man. Hold up, baby. Do you see what I see? Oh. Now, before y'all get to talking noise, this is coming off before I put this on my car. This is coming off. No, I'm not up badging or none of that. But check that out. Y'all gonna check that out. Yeah, that boy got that SRT grill. Well, Scat Pack grill. I'm gonna call it that because the SRT coming off. We got that front clip. And also, quit playing. If y'all thought I wasn't gonna get that rear clip too, I ain't half doing nothing. You understand me? You understand? I ain't half doing nothing. Got the diffuser down. Let me show y'all. Oh! Got the diffuser down there too. You know, the valence, whatever you want to call it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Show y'all the back, boy. Yes, sir. These, man, hey, y'all don't know. These lights right here are like $200 a piece. So that's another $400 I gotta spend on this. You got all this. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. It clip right on too. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I might get the 2019 grill though. But other than that, I mean, in fact, I am gonna get the grill, cause as y'all see, this right here, I don't have it. I don't have that that front camera thing. I don't have it, so I'm gonna get a whole nother grill. Get the 2019 grill without that. But yeah, man, that's what's happening with the Charger. You know what I mean? This is one reason why I haven't wrapped my car. One reason why I haven't wrapped my car yet. I'm trying to flip this where y'all can get a good angle of this too. Remind you, I don't care nobody being scratched up, all that. See, I kicked it. I don't care. You know what I mean? Hey, how you doing?
All right, how you doing?
I'm good. See, I don't care. I gotta get it painted. Cause as y'all see, this is not black. It's not black. It's that dark gray that come in. It's that dark gray. So headlights gonna go right there. I mean, everything else fit right in. All I gotta do is get the lights, or I can get the. We'll talk about that in a minute. All I gotta do is get the lights. But that's the back part of this for the rear bumper. Yep. Everything should clip right on. This is what I want to know from y'all. And I want y'all to be honest with me. Don't lie to me. Don't have me looking stupid. Should I put this on my car now? What y'all think? Comment down below. Should I put this on my car now? The reason why it's not on my car is not because it's not painted. It's not, that ain't got nothing to do with it. It ain't because I don't have the lights, because I will put it on without the lights. Hellcats don't even come with those. And I ain't trying to make it look like that, but I will put it on without the lights until I get the fog lights. But the reason why it's not on my car is because I don't have the hood. Now, I bought this a few weeks ago. I didn't just buy this. I've been had this. The reason why it's not on my car is because I don't have a hood. Now, do I want to put this whole kit on my car without the hood? Could I? Yeah, I could do it. I could do it. But that'll take away the what is the element of surprise? I mean, I don't know what it is I'm looking for. That'll take that away, because if I put all this on my car, you know what people gonna say? Oh man, that look, yeah, but you ain't got the hood. I ain't never seen it without the hood. I ain't never, and me personally, I don't care what people say, but that's me. People done told me to put it on. People done told me, hey man, you can go and put that on now. I'm like, man, that's me. This is what I want. I don't want nobody, I don't want to put that on and they look at my car. Oh yeah, you ain't got the hood, you ain't got this. And then when I get the hood, later on, then they come back and say, oh, he got the hood now. Oh, he got the hood. Piece of hair in my mouth, man. I don't know where it came from. Blah. Oh, he got the hood now. Nah, what I want is to pull out with a whole new car. You know what I'm saying? I want to pull out with a whole new look. Like, I want to pull out with, you know what I mean? Like somebody just, oh, damn, he got a new car? He got this? He went and got him a scat pack? Which I ain't trying to make it a scat pack, excuse me. I'm not trying to make it a scat pack because, as y'all know, the V6s come with this stuff on it now. The V6s come with it, V8s, RTs, they come with it, all that. And as y'all seen before, I got the spoiler. I got the spoiler too. So I want to put all that on at once. You know what I mean? I don't want to put piece by piece. I could put this rear bump on, that wouldn't be no issue. And I actually thought about doing it, just putting the rear bump on, which I wouldn't have no issue with that, because, I mean, that ain't just too bad. I can put that on, and that almost wouldn't even be noticeable to a lot of people. But if I put this front clip on without that hood, it ain't gonna be right. And the reason why I don't have that hood is because I had the money to buy the hood. I had the money to buy the hood, people. The dude that I was buying the hood from, he was holding it for me. No, he wasn't even holding it for me. I waited on him a week, man. I waited on him a week to get back with me about this hood. He said it was in Oklahoma, and he was gonna pick it up Friday. So Friday come, I ain't heard nothing from him. I hit him up Monday. He was like, yeah, I got it. I said, okay, I'm gonna come get it. I got the money. So he hit me back and was like, can you come tonight? I'm like, nah, I'm on my way to work right now. I'm on my way to work. I said, I'm gonna get it as soon as I get out. Long story short, I get to work. 3 hours into work, I get a email saying this item has been sold. So, man, to say, I was so mad. I wanted to find out where the dude stayed at. Like, bro, I was mad. We're gonna leave it at that. I was mad because I told that man I had the money, and I waited on him a week, and he sold that hood. But I would have had it. It would have been complete. So y'all let me know if I should put it down. I mean, y'all let me know in the comments if I should put this on without the hood. I'm gonna do what I want to do anyway. I just want to see what y'all think, what y'all opinions is on that, what y'all take on it. So I'm just curious because I got it, man. It's ready to get slapped on. I already got somebody that's gonna paint it, and I got it. So that's it, man. That's the mod, baby. It's happening soon as I get the hood. You know what I mean? So this is to clear things up. Now that I'm showing y'all this, please don't be ask me why you ain't put it on, why you ain't put it on, because I'm telling you why I ain't put it on. Y'all will know when it's finna get put on, because I'm gonna show you that hood when I get it. So I can pay $1,000 for the hood right now. But why would I do that when that dude was selling it for $500? I seen another one for $600. So I'm just waiting on one to come across, because it ain't gotta be black. It ain't gotta be, man, it could be, the one I was finna get was plumb crazy. Like, get it painted, you know what I mean? So I'm not finna go spend $1,000. And then on top of that $1,000, I gotta drive to Houston to pick it up after I paid $1,000. Or I gotta pay $1,200 to get it shipped here. So I'm not finna do that when I know eventually I can get one for about $500. So I'm gonna wait on that. I ain't in no rush. But if it start taking too long, I am gonna go on and pay that $1,000 because it gotta be done by the summertime. You hear me? It gotta be done by the summertime. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. What I should do. Should I throw it on, or should I just wait and present the whole package at one time? Because that's what I want to do. But that is a wrap for this video. One more time, let me let y'all look at that. I'm gonna let y'all look at that. I'm gonna get them fire lights. Them fire lights are $200 a piece. I am gonna get them. Unless I get the Hellcat hood. If I get the Hellcat hood, I might not get the fire lights. But, cause you know, Hellcats don't come with fire lights anyway. Once again, not that I'm trying to make it into a Hellcat, because it will not be no Hellcat badges on my car. It will not be no SRT badges. I'm keeping my RT. In fact, I might add more RT stuff to it. I ain't in the up badging. Somebody told me this was up badge, and I was like, man, you stupid. It ain't up badge, and they come on V6s. What are you talking about? But anyway, hey, man, y'all let me know, man. That's a wrap for this video. I just want to say, man, I appreciate all my subscribers, man. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. Y'all showing number love. Like, I can't express, you know what I'm saying, the type of love y'all be showing. Like, I really didn't think my YouTube was gonna take off like this. But now that it have, I got more confidence. I'm believing in myself. I'm believing in my craft. You know what I mean? So we going to the top. Like I told y'all before, all you gotta do is have faith in yourself, man. Put your all into it, whatever it is you love doing, and it's gonna take out for you. It's gonna take out for you. Unless you out here doing some criminal activities and you love doing it and you putting your all into it. It might take off for a minute, but it ain't gonna last. It ain't gonna last forever, man. I'm telling you, I done been there. I done that. I ain't got nothing to show for it, man. There was times where I ain't gonna get into that, but hey, believe me, I had bread. I had some money at the time doing stuff I ain't had no business doing, but I ain't got nothing to show for that right now. Nothing to show for that at all. It ain't gonna last, man. But hey, man, if y'all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that notification bell. You be notified every single time I post. I thank y'all, man. Y'all keep watching. I'm gonna keep it coming. Y'all see the mods back there. Y'all see me. Y'all see my car club shirt. Oh yeah, And I got my merch coming. I'm supposed to be picking it up today. So, maybe in the next video. No, not in the next video, because I actually got a video I'm gonna post that I already done. I got about 2 or 3 videos that I ain't posted yet. So y'all see in one of my videos my new merch, or I just might go live with it on Saturday so y'all can see it. Y'all know I'm going live on Saturdays now, so yeah. I ain't trying to talk to y'all too much though, but I appreciate all the love, man. Y'all keep coming, y'all keep liking, y'all keep sharing. I'm gonna keep it coming. Appreciate all the love, man. Y'all know how I end my videos. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy, man. I ain't out.
Welcome to the Triple D.